The Hyundai Ioniq 3 is a new small electric hatchback developed primarily for the European market, but it will also be available in Australia. The Ioniq 3's shape, with a pointy front end and a dramatically sloping roof, reminds us of the late Veloster. Although the Ioniq 3 skips the Veloster's unorthodox three-door layout, Hyundai describes the look as aero hatch, saying that it provides both aerodynamic efficiency and generous interior space, with the Ioniq 3 boasting a drag coefficient of 0.26 at 163.5 inches long. The front end wears horizontal LED eyebrows above a wide black band that houses the main headlights. There are also four LED squares below the Hyundai badge, referencing the letter H in Morse code and echoing Ioniq design cues that have appeared elsewhere, such as on the steering wheel of the Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 9. The Ioniq 3 rides on the 400-volt version of the EGMP platform. This is also found beneath the Kia EV3, which is set to finally reach the US later this year. The Ioniq 3 offers two battery sizes. The 42 kWh standard range model achieves 213 miles of range on Europe's WLTP test, and the 61 kWh long range is good for 308 miles. If the Ioniq 3 were ever to be sold stateside, we'd expect those figures to translate to EPA range estimates of 181 and 261 miles, respectively. Hyundai hasn't provided interior or full cargo dimensions, but in additional 4.20 cubic feet of hidden storage lives under the cargo floor in an area called the Megabox. Infotainment is handled via a standard 12.9-inch central display, or an optional 14.6-inch upgrade. Both use Hyundai's version of Android Automotive OS AAOS called Plios Connect. This will be the first European Hyundai vehicle to feature this updated system, which uses both physical buttons and simplified touch controls within the screen. The driver also gets a simplified digital screen on the top of the dashboard. Available tech includes a Bose sound system, ambient lighting, and digital key to functionality, allowing you to unlock and start the vehicle with your smartphone or watch. There's also remote smart parking assist, an intelligent parking system that also allows you to move the vehicle from outside of it using the key fob. Heated and ventilated front relaxation seats are also available. And Hyundai says the Ioniq 3 uses carefully selected textile materials inspired by natural landscapes and 1970s Italian furniture design, including recycled and bio-based materials. Safety technology includes Hyundai's blind spot view monitor, displaying a view of the vehicle's blind spot inside the cabin, plus highway driving assist 2, memory reverse assist, and a surround view camera. Boot space is 441 liters, split between 322L above the cargo floor and 119L in the Megabox below. The Kona Electric has a claim for 07L in the back, despite being 200mm longer than the Ioniq 3. There's a sharper green house and feature line than on the Genesis, per Hyundai's new Art of Steel design language, but the shape is designed to deliver maximum interior space. It also has a drag coefficient of 0.263 CD. Hyundai's signature pixel lighting elements can be found on the Ioniq 3, and the four center dots at either end of the vehicle reference the letter H. In Morse code, Hyundai's traditional logo can still be found on the vehicle. However,